Hi scientists, I'm Sil, and today we are going to make a non-Newtonian fluid. Do you know what it is? Cody, do you know what a non-Newtonian fluid is? A non-Newtonian fluid, it's something that looks like a solid and it looks like a liquid, but it's neither. So what non-Newtonian fluid do you think we're going to make today? Slime! But not any kind of slime. We are going to make a slime that is really interactive and fun. What do you think that is going to be that slime, Cody? What about you? What do you think? Magnetic slime! So here are the ingredients that you will need. Glue, contact solution. You can use a glue with different color. Iron filings, baking soda. So now let's get into it. I'm going to use the cosmic glue. Right. So we're going to put a little bit of the cosmic glue. We are going to add a little bit of baking soda. Iron filings. A quarter cup. I'm going to put half of it, and then if we need, we can add more. And we're going to mix this. If you want to make it fluffy, you can add shaving cream. And if you want it to shine, you can add glitter. Let's test it out to see if it's the magnetic strength is good enough. I think it's pretty good. And we are going to compare and contrast the magnetic slime with the regular slime. Let's see, what can they make, right? We have some small magnets here. Let's see what's gonna happen. take it out of the jar and see which slime look at this. We're going to put a little bit more of contact solution. There you go. Now we're gonna see, whoops,